We're getting a lot of big cap names this week in a lot of different areas, the railroads, drugs, and infrastructure. I brought you the best of a lot of these different areas this week. Some companies you might not be as familiar with, so you're going to want to tune in though with these specific companies. Let's get right to it. First one out of the gate is Abbott Labs. I bring this every quarter because look at that chart. It beats every quarter. Now it was stuck in this kind of narrow range up until 2017. Then they started inching up and finally broke out. And as you can see in 2018 though, pulled back a little, but this is reflective of everything that's happening in the market. These really hot stocks that have been hitting new highs are kind of taking a pause here. So we'll see if this earnings report can give them a boost. Then we're going to look at United Rentals. I bring this a lot of quarters too. I own this in my own personal stock portfolio. It's been a wild ride. I bought a couple years ago, and now shares on all this infrastructure talk have really broken out. Plus their oil and energy side, which is only about 5 to 6% of their business, is finally turning around as well. So this will be an interesting one to hear. They've been real bullish the last couple quarters. I listen in on these conference calls. So if you're interested in the infrastructure, United Rentals, which is the largest equipment rental maker and then distributor in North America, they know what's going on out there. So this is one you're going to want to tune in on. Then we're going to get PPG Industries. Now, I've always liked this company, and it's been very consistent. It's obviously, beaten every quarter the last 5 years, so nothing wrong with that. But shares staged a huge rally out of the Great Recession. You can't really see it on this chart, but going in there from 13, you can see it, 14, then it peaked, and then it's kind of been in this narrow range. Not sure what's going to really boost it, but we'll see. Shares weren't all that cheap either, so value investors aren't really in here, but good, solid, old industrial company. Then we're going to get Snap-on. I bring this chart every quarter too because they too haven't missed in 5 years. We've got a kind of mini breakout finally here in 2018, and I thought maybe these were going to go to new further highs, but now we got the sell-off. So this is definitely one you're going to want to watch this quarter to see if another beat here could give it a boost. And then Pool Corp, I think this is a new one to my earnings videos, but I just kind of like this company. They make products that have to do with pools. No shocker there. They have that one miss in 2017, but otherwise got a real good track record going back to 2014. And everything in the consumer market with these kinds of items has got to be doing pretty well right here. Even the pools themselves, pool furniture, anything doing with the pools. If you got extra money to spend, you're spending it on leisure and activities, making those memories out in the backyard, and this is the kind of company that benefits. So I'm going to be watching this one this week. So there's a couple new names in there you might want to check out. Otherwise, a lot of the big names that we all know and invest in are reporting this week, so you're going to want to check those all out. And as always, I'll be here all during earnings season to bring you all the best earnings charts and what's going on with the companies and their earnings streaks. So you're going to want to tune in. You can find our videos on YouTube under the Zacks Investment Research channel, or you can also get all of our videos on Zacks.com. So be sure to tune in.